The moon's hidden activity revealed.
For decades, scientists believed the moon was geologically dead, its core solidifying and cooling quietly like a dying ember in space. But recent data from NASA's lunar sensors have detected unexpected seismic pulses emanating from deep within the moon's interior, challenging everything we thought we knew about our celestial companion. These signals suggest the moon's core is not just passively cooling, but undergoing significant changes that could reshape our understanding of lunar evolution. Physicist Michio Kaku has highlighted these findings in recent lectures, warning that the moon's internal activity could have long-term effects on its structure and even Earth's environment over geological timescales. This seismic activity challenges the traditional view of the moon as a static, inert body that finished its geological story billions of years ago. The discovery represents a paradigm shift in lunar science, forcing researchers to reconsider fundamental assumptions about how small planetary bodies evolve and die in our solar system.